the not too distant future, somewhere in time and space, Mike Nelson and his robot pals are caught in a nasty place. They try to survive the wrath of Pearl, just an evil gal who wants to rule the world. From her castle below she sets her sights above, just to torture all her captives on the satellite of love.
Get me now!
Awesome and cheesy movies, the worst I can find. He'll have to sit and watch them all, and I'll monitor his mind.
Now keep in mind, Mike can't control where the movies begin or end. He'll try to keep his sanity with the help of his robot friends.
Robot roll call Camon. You're on. Gypsy. Tom Servo. Check me out. I'm different.
If you're wondering how he eats and breathes and other science facts, just repeat to yourself it's just a show. I should really just relax. Oh, Mystery Science Theater 3000.
Analysis of the last, if you watched my previous video, it's the last science experiment we did. So basically, like, florfers don't understand this, but, like, when you take, the apple from the floor, and you pick it up, and that upward force, that's not where the experiment starts. It starts when the apple leaves the non-inertial spinning reference frame, which is where you're standing, and your uncle, or your buddy, or whatever. And so, like, hypothetically speaking, let's just pretend that this is a real situation. Let's just pretend that this is reality. Like, if you picked up the apple, and, like, right here, like, at the beginning of the experiment, like, gravity just stopped, like, the apple would keep floating up in outer space. It's just, like, so simple to understand, like... So Davey's been put to the crayon challenge, so we got our crayons right. Basically, like,